Hi everyone. If a treadmill feels shaky, too loud, or takes over the whole room, it can turn from a fitness upgrade into something you slowly start avoiding. So today, I'm talking about the MERACH Treadmill, and I'm going to share what it has actually been like to use at home for walking, jogging, incline workouts, and just getting more movement in without needing to go anywhere. The first thing I noticed with this treadmill is that it doesn't feel like one of those tiny, flimsy machines that you're nervous to step onto. It has a heavier, more solid feel to it. And while that does make the box and setup a bit of a workout by itself, it also makes the treadmill feel much more stable once it's in place. If you're planning to bring it upstairs, around tight corners, or into a specific room, I would definitely recommend having someone help. It is heavy, and moving it alone is not something I'd want to do unless I absolutely had to. But once it's where you want it, that weight becomes a good thing. When I'm walking or jogging on it, it feels planted. It doesn't have that annoying wobble or rattling feeling that some home treadmills can have, especially when you start picking up the pace. For a home setup, that stability matters a lot, because it makes the whole workout feel safer and more comfortable. Assembly was also easier than I expected. I wouldn't describe myself as someone who enjoys putting equipment together, but this was pretty straightforward. Once it was unboxed and positioned, the actual setup didn't feel complicated. The instructions were clear enough, and it didn't feel like one of those projects where you have to spend half the day figuring out which part goes where. In terms of size, I think this treadmill hits a nice middle ground. It's compact enough that it can fit into a home space without feeling like commercial gym equipment, but it still has enough running area to feel usable. The belt size is listed as 19 by 49 inches, and for walking and jogging, it feels comfortable. I'm not using it like a serious long stride running machine, but for steady walking, incline walking, and casual jogging, the space feels natural. One thing I really like is that it folds up and can stand in a corner when I'm not using it. It still takes up a noticeable amount of space, so I wouldn't call it something that disappears under a sofa, but it does become much easier to live with when folded. The wheels help when you need to shift it around, although because the unit is heavy, I would still think of it as movable rather than lightweight. The auto incline is probably one of the biggest highlights for me. It changes the workout completely. Even walking becomes much more intense when you add incline, and I like that I can get a stronger cardio session without having to run. And it adjusts quickly enough that it doesn't interrupt the rhythm of the workout. If you're trying to build endurance, burn more energy, or just make walking feel more challenging, this feature is genuinely useful. For example, walking at around 3.5 to 4 miles per hour with incline feels like a proper workout. It's the kind of pace where you can still watch something or stay focused, but your body is definitely working. I also like that I can use the console area to rest a laptop or watch videos while walking. That makes longer sessions feel much easier to stick with, especially if your goal is daily movement rather than intense running. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. The controls are simple too, which I appreciate. I don't want to spend 10 minutes tapping through menus just to start walking. The speed and incline controls are easy to understand, and the display gives you the basic information you want during a workout, like speed, incline, pulse, and calories. It also has programs and app features available, although honestly, even without digging deeply into those, the treadmill already gives me more than enough for everyday training. Another thing that surprised me was how quiet it is. Compared with older treadmills I've used, this one is much quieter during walking and jogging. It still makes treadmill noise, of course, but it's not the kind of loud, harsh sound that makes you feel like the whole house knows you're exercising. The cushioning also feels good underfoot. It doesn't feel hard or jarring, and that makes it easier to use regularly, especially for longer walking sessions. That comfort is a big reason I think this treadmill works for different types of users. If you're just starting out, you don't have to run. You can use it for beginner walking, rehab-style movement, or gradual fitness improvement. If you're already more active, you can use the incline and higher speeds for more demanding cardio. It feels versatile without being overly complicated. The belt width and length worked well for me, and it also seems comfortable for taller users. Someone around 6'2" can still enjoy using it, especially for walking and jogging. If you are a very serious runner with a long stride and you plan to do intense running sessions every day, you may want to consider whether you need a longer running pad. But for home walking, jogging, incline training, and regular cardio, this size feels practical. I also like the Bluetooth speakers. They're not trying to replace a full sound system, but they are loud enough to hear clearly while using the treadmill. For me, that's enough. I can put on music or a video and stay engaged during the workout, but it makes the treadmill feel more enjoyable to use. Now, there are a few minor downsides worth mentioning. First, as I said earlier, it's heavy. That's great for stability, but not great when you're unboxing it or moving it into place. If the package has to go upstairs or through tight spaces, plan ahead. Second, when the treadmill is building up speed, there can be a slight slip at the beginning. But once it gets going, it smooths out. It wasn't something that ruined the experience for me, but it is something I noticed. Third, some of the smaller accessories don't feel as premium as the main machine. The safety key, for example, feels cheaper than the rest of the treadmill. Also, the cup holder placement may not work perfectly for every room setup, especially if you need one side of the treadmill close to a wall. These are not major problems, but they are little details that could have been better. There was also an experience where the treadmill arrived with an error message, and troubleshooting did not fix it right away. That seems like the kind of issue where you would need to work with the manufacturer for a replacement or solution. It's not the common experience I'd expect, but with something this large and heavy, any return or replacement process can be inconvenient, so it's worth keeping in mind. On the positive side, the overall build quality feels strong. The materials feel solid, the frame feels sturdy, and the treadmill gives the impression that it's built for real home use rather than occasional light use only. It supports heavier users as well, with one listed capacity being up to 160 kilograms, and it feels reassuring underfoot. For me, the biggest strength of this treadmill is that it makes home workouts feel realistic. It's not just something you buy with good intentions and then avoid. Because it's stable, quiet, comfortable, and easy to use, it actually feels like something you can build into your routine. Whether you're walking for health, using it after surgery for gentle rehabilitation, trying to lose weight, or just replacing trips to the gym, it fits well into everyday life. I also think the value is strong. It has features that make it feel closer to a much more expensive treadmill, especially with the automatic incline, solid frame, smooth operation, comfortable belt size, and quiet motor. It doesn't feel like a bare minimum budget machine. It feels like a proper home treadmill that gives you a lot for the money. So my final thoughts are this. The MERACH Treadmill is a very good choice if you want a sturdy, compact folding treadmill for walking, jogging, incline training, and general home fitness. It's heavy, so setup and moving it can be annoying, and a few small parts could feel more premium. But once it's assembled and in place, it feels stable, smooth, quiet, and comfortable to use. If you're a serious runner who needs a longer deck for hard running, you may want to think carefully about your stride and workout style. But for most people who want a dependable treadmill at home for daily movement, weight loss, rehab, walking, jogging, or incline cardio, this one is easy to recommend. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.